2 times this week.
I know.
It's like the good old days. Welcome everyone. Welcome to a really, really special episode of
Masse
Art
Studio.
Exactly. I'm Lee.
I'm Jeremy.
And we are starting a very small train of amazing, wonderful, talented individuals that will be in Asheville teaching at the Fluid Art Experience. We're going to pour for you today our raffle pieces that will be raffled off on the Friday night gala dinner.
Yes.
All you need to do to be able to win this piece is be at the Fluid Art Experience, be taking classes, and be at the gala dinner.
Yes.
If you're one of those three, if you're all of those three things, then you could be in the chance to win either this piece from us or the piece from the rest of the amazing artists, which is Jess from Winterstrom, Kathleen from Cos Creations, Tara from Pieces of Tara Artistry, Canella from Canella Sirocco Art, Nate Bright Art, Britt Clayton or us. And you've got 8 pieces there that are up for auction.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, up for raffle. I'm sorry.
For raffle.
On that night. You don't even have to buy them. It's all free. So Jeremy and I are going to do this one together.
Yes.
It's a true collaboration here in this studio. We've already poured it and we've got it for you to show. So come back at the end and see it. But this is a 15-minute episode.
It's gorgeous, you guys.
Well,
it's stunning.
We'll let you be the judge of that. But let's get to painting it and see.
All right.
Well, hello.
Well, hello there.
I love it when we collaborate on the same piece. I feel like I enjoy it more than you do. But we'll see what happens here. So, as we've already said in the intro, this is our 20 by 20 inch canvas.
It is.
This is for the raffle at the gala dinner in Asheville.
Yes.
So if you are coming to the Fluid Art Experience and you have a gala dinner ticket,
yes,
there's a very strong chance that you might win this piece.
Yes.
Alongside that of Sarah's and Kathleen's and Britt's and Nate's and Jessica's and Tara's.
Elaine Burton doesn't get tickets this year.
Oh my God, Show Pony, you are going to fall from grace from that top spot of Elaine's favourite. All right, so what we've got here is Show Pony.
That's Prussian blue.
This is Azo Gold.
Azo Gold. Phthalo green.
This is Iridescent White.
Yep, pearl white. That one is the green gold.
This one is the Pearl Blue from Arteza.
No, it's Pearl Turquoise.
Pearl Turquoise from Arteza.
Yes. That is the 24 karat gold by Deco Arts.
And this is Turquoise Deep by Goldens.
That's Phthalo Turquoise.
Phthalo Turquoise Deep by Goldens.
And then, Okay, we got it, yes.
So we've talked about these colours before, actually.
Yes.
It's this palette we've used before. We love this palette.
Love it, love it.
We've got 4 little cups. We're going to grenade these, Show Pony. We're not flipping them, we're grenading them. So we need to put pins in these real quick.
I'm trying to pick out cute pins.
I love it when he moves at a glacial pace.
You know what?
I
love it when you have a little bit of patience.
That's never. All right, so the difference between a flip cup and a grenade is that we put the little pins into the bottoms of the cup, and then you pull the pin when the paint is flipped over in the cup, and it's the suction of the air rushing in that will push the paint out.
Exactly.
I love that story. Okay, so you're going to do these 2 and I'm going to do these 2.
Fantastic.
Go for it.
All right. I'm going to use white as my base.
And I'm going to use green gold in that one. And I'm going to use the turquoise in this one.
Fantastic. Yeah, a little bit more. Yeah, perfect.
So we are dirty layering these, however, so that's up high and then down into the cup.
Yes.
Just like that.
I'm going to do a little bit of green gold first.
Okay. Ooh, I love that. Prussian blue. I'm going to try and get all the colours in these cups, of course. A little bit of each of them, right?
Yes.
And we're not worrying about any of the drips on the canvas because the canvas is going to be covered anyway.
Yes.
Ooh, my first bit of gold. Just a tiny little squidget. Tiny little bit of gold.
Yeah, I'm going to do just a little touch of gold myself.
Just a touch of gold.
Because as you know, gold will take over an entire painting.
Entire painting?
Yes. It's times like this that I wish you were left-handed.
Kind of like this where I wish I was painting on my own. Splush, splush.
And then, and this one I'm gonna do a little, yeah, maybe a little bit more of this green gold.
So Jeremy,
Yes.
4 beautiful cups filled
Absolutely.
with some beautiful paints.
Absolutely.
Now you have a choice.
Yes.
Do you want to grenade and lip, or do you want to tilt?
Huh?
You've got a
want-
choice of doing one of 2 things.
Okay.
Do you want to grenade them and lip them,
Yes.
or do you want to tilt them?
Oh, I see what you're saying. No, I want a grenade and lip them.
Okay. All right. Well, then I will move these out of your way.
Okay.
We are going to put a base coat down on this canvas
Yes.
because we need those little bad boys to slip. Now
Yes.
this beautiful green here,
Where are the drippings?
yeah, were the drippings from the last time that we poured. There's no schmutz in here. It's just the drippings from the top of the table.
Yeah.
That's the reason why we've got the plastic here.
Exactly.
Right here. It's just to catch the shenanigans
Yes.
that we don't use in the composition. Well, how
Exactly.
pretty is this green look?
That's beautiful.
All right, Show Pony, I'm going to hand you these one at a time.
Okay.
So here's number 1. Would you like to get that onto the canvas?
I would.
And number 2. And number 3. And number 4. Ugh, splashable.
Yes.
Okay, let's pull those pins from these grenades. And let's let those colours merge, and then I guess you're going to take one of the cups and lip it.
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. Okay. All right.
I'm getting very weird looks from Lee right
You did
now.
that really weird. All right. Let's see what we can do with this. It is now 2:41, Show Pony.
It is tilting time.
It's tilting time.
Yes.
Okay, let's give this a tilt. Oh, this is really pretty.
Gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. It's Gorgina. Yeah, I love how we've got this like watercolory effect on this one. The blending of the paints is really pretty, very ethereal, kind of almost cosmic. Like the phthalo, the pearl turquoise, and the green up
green
here.
gold,
Yeah, so pretty. And then just like this little line I can see of the azo coming down.
Yeah, it's stunning.
Yeah, I really, really enjoyed this one.
And you were boudet my how
I was
did it.
doing that just to wind you up.
Oh, whatever.
Whatever.
Whenever we first started doing, he was like, I don't like this about it, and I don't like this about it.
And then I tilted it off, and now I love it. So yes, it's great. I think this is really pretty.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
Little pops of gold coming through, cells starting to peek through the titanium
Absolutely.
white because the white is sinking. Great. I really love this.
It's stunning.
Hopefully you'll love this too. This will be framed in a beautiful gold floating frame and then will be part of the raffle at the Fluid Art Experience
will,
Gala Dinner.
yeah.
I hope someone loves this as much as we do.
I know, totally.
Let's scrape the edges and take you in for a close-up.
Let's do it.
So there we have it.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Well, is it a wow?
I think it's a wow.
You tell us. Jeremy, tell me a little bit about this that you see.
I absolutely loved how this came out. I love how
He's so in love with it, he can't even speak.
I know. The Prussian blue that we used. I love how that like adds these dark moments to it. And then I love how you can actually see the Prussian blue peeking through that white up above.
Peeking?
It is so pretty.
Like a little peeping Tom.
Yeah, I just loved how this one dried, you guys.
It's stunning. We've put it in a beautiful gold metal frame for
Yes.
you, so whoever wins this is going to get it framed as well. Beautiful gold floating frame. I love this piece, Jeremy. I love it when we collaborate. Jeremy was like, ooh, you tipped off all the best bits that I liked, but I was the one in charge of tilting.
You were.
So it is what it is.
Yes.
But we hope that you like it too. You have to be at the Fluid Art Experience, be
Yes.
taking classes and at the Gala Dinner to be able to win this piece. If you are those three things, you might get your hands on this.
Right.
Maybe a hug from this guy as well. You'll see. So now stick around.
Yes.
We have a very, very small and quick train. There's another 7 people, all with 15-minute episodes, and you'll be able to see the pieces that you could potentially win from those guys too.
Yeah.
There are still tickets available to Asheville. It's going to be May the 22nd to the 24th. And there's tickets available still for Dallas, which is September the 27th to the 29th.
Wow.
So go get those tickets while you can, and if you need to know where to get them, then follow this link at the bottom here or in the description box. But without much further ado, we'll head you over to the next artist and another raffle piece pour.
Sounds good to me.
Thank you for joining us. We hope you love this, and we'll see you very soon.
All right, guys.
Bye.
Bye.